Welcome to Barajevo. We are here on the farm. Very beautiful day. Warm, sunny day. Beba? Desi Beba? Our neighbor's dog. Seems like there's no more dandelion this year. Maybe I ate everything, yeah? Yam nungayego ngasi디 ko. Very sunny. Tabak-tabak ngamraray ay siya. I'm shabagi. Ay nuba na daw eh. Nan wer ko family singra. Mo chagi jadamra pokriere ya. And who is this? Hello? Hello? Okay, so I have to pick the mustard greens because my husband is gonna kill everything now. We need to dig the ground. This year it's late because it's already like March is almost over and we haven't planted anything yet. So, you know, those are rugulas. They're all blooming. We have to cut all of them. And I think the shoots of arugula is edible. I'm gonna make salad with this today for the neighbors and for my husband. Ko hangam madondo yam hawgen polyhouse to yam laye nungaye ngasidi enchang yam amuga lawgani ko han gujung ko khongri ru ko 좀 빙니 콩나이 산이지 그중 그 미샤이라마 시밤 나이장 이바고 미 얘기한 힘이 샤이 되임대고. Alright guys, this is what I just picked up. This is all the mustard greens from outside. And these are all the salads from outside. Now we are going inside the polyhouse. 시내 양팡이고 두간기 굽나 얌디 버저디고 두월쇼 organic nina yam Haugen. And the last year October the tabne I planted this last year October and we've been eating this continuously until now. Today is March. So yeah, let's go inside the polyhouse, yeah? Now we are inside the polyhouse. These are the salads I'm gonna pick up today. I'm gonna leave some. I won't take everything, but I'll take most of it. This one, look at that. But no, the roots are not that good yet, you know? Oh, that's nice. That's kind of big. So yeah. 시내거 polyhouse. kum시디거 시다 가릴라 카비도 도 다그니시다. 아이나 seeds 도 ng랑 다 그래 윰다. We're gonna grow here this whole side the bitter melon. Let's pick up this broccoli shoots again. You see? I shouldn't have killed all the broccoli, yeah? I said the same thing last time too. 시영어 함감시. 하우근이다. 거 영어 아씨. 금타지 다가이. 해판 아르고 무샤이름라 이망이냐? Okay. 로이래. 아이. 싫어왜 영어 샐러드. 배자부도 함감수 얌 로브니고 마카드 레시. 허린 웃비게 시영어. The beetroot later. She show amuka lay beetroot. Mana to shoot up. Eh, Hakjang yam no idea going to go. It's very hot also. I'm not so well today. So that's it for me today. I'm not doing any other work. So hot, you guys. My husband is digging the ground and I think he's tired. Are you tired, baby? Okay, take a break. And you, both of you, sleep. Go sleep. Okay? Shy and shit.
I have to finish
and
then I will stop, okay?
Okay. 아주 부담을 밤는 왜래워. 태우가 그 젖. 그 젖다 덤 와이워. 젖 그메링 바 그메야 덤야. 이제 태우 그 젖다 그랬잖아. 기금상 젖 메이. Okay. Beba, spava. Spava. Bravo, Belize. Yengo eh. Mamai the shoe grishu hop up neko. Only sunscreen. This is my skin. I don't know why this part is so dark over here. You see that? She's dark lady. When I was a child, some boys were, like grown-up boys were playing with plates, and then it hit me here. I don't remember the pain, but they said I almost lost my eye. But I didn't. Babe! These are the spring onions. And those are the garlics. Not too much this year. Spring onion only 4 lines. But it's okay, I have a lot at home. And garlic also, I have some at home. Next week, lakpadadi chaba yarani shi garlic spring onion ji. We can start eating by next week, I think. So beautiful. This is not peach. What's the other one that a little bit bigger than, no, same size as peach, but not peach. What do you call that? Kaisia in Serbian. But I always forget that name in English. Yeah, wait, it'll come to me. I'll tell you. I'm cooking lunch, you guys. There's a little bit of bacon, gobi, potato, and greens from the farm. And chichak thongbashi shui. I forgot how to cook rice, it seems, without the pressure cooker. Oh my gosh. Anyway, we have bread. Bread chaba yarani. These are greens from the farm, yeah? Look. They look yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Haugen 이거. 대박 나기지. Farm we kicker. 나비니. Haugen. Farm đi đây có hành người tốt người sai farm này. Farm that lối nó hậu bên này. Everything tastes better over here on the farm. Okay guys, we are ready to eat. This is the bacon, potato, and greens from the garden. And then this is also salad from the garden with a little bit of goat cheese, honey.
From the neighbor?
Yeah. And this one is like the I made for the neighbor because he's on fasting. Just potato and cabbage fry. And this is the rice that I cooked. It's not good. 시작 잘하시고 시작 잘하고 이거에 forest 쳤거니 아무가 to pick wild garlic, yeah?
Yes.
After this, we're going to the forest to pick wild garlic.
Let's eat.
Are you hungry? Boy!
Yes, I am.
Okay. As usual, you guys, we are here again to pick some stremush. And there's garlic over there. It's a lot. Should I go there? Maybe I should. Let's go there. Look at this, you guys. This is filled with stremush. There's garlic. And look at this cute small stream. So beautiful. I'm gonna pick here a lot because I want to give it to our neighbors, my mother-in-laws, and everybody else. Yeah? Woo, amazing. This too. Oh my gosh. Hey, boy. Look at this. My bag. It's killing me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, all done for the day. It's time to go home. 지기시 로이래고 юм자 크래셔 뭐가 라그니 next 삽다고 그다 로이나 타그니 그리 kumba 라이브도 타닝아 라이브도고 동시기디 신나 로이래 юм자체 잉바 하우래 마담 bunkia tare. Shall we go home? Shall we go home? You wanna go home? You wanna go? You wanna go home? Are you hungry? I know, baby. You're not hungry though. Bebo. We go home and shower, yeah? We go home and shower, yeah? You and Beba needs to shower, yeah? I know, you don't like that. Thanks for watching, everybody. we will see you in the next one again. It's gonna be so interesting. Everything will be blooming and it will be beautiful. I'm gonna come here and smoke some meat and fish and everything. See you next time. Bye.